Let's talk about money. How are you going to make money? You'll see big names, people earning thousands of pounds in helicopters, flying on private jets to gigs and all that kind of stuff. And you might think, oh, you know, that's what I'm going to earn. I'm going to earn loads of money. But the reality isn't like that for most people. So let's talk about how you're going to make your money. The first major source of income is from your DJ gigs. Obviously, like everything else, that will increase the more popular you become. And you'll probably do certain gigs, let's say if you're doing underground, Circo Loco, for a lot cheaper because you just want to play there. But that is the source of your income. And people are going to book you based upon the records that you produce and how big they've been, the records you produce and the label they've been on, and the following that you've built through your music, maybe even your social media platform, and the brand that you are. And the more you build your brand, the more money you're going to earn from your gigs.